कलयुग में कलयुग की लड़ाई लड़ना बहुत जरूरी होता है. I am actually not going inside to fight. First, let me just make that very clear. I'm going inside to be myself, and there are many aspects to me.
आप म्यूजिशियन है तो आप गाना गाइए. आपको अपने को एक्सप्रेस करने की क्या जरूरत है?
Exactly. Yeah, which I find very funny. अभी वो मेरा वो frustration वाला फेज थोड़ा खत्म हो गया. You know, वो था एक टाइम पे जब मुझे गुस्सा भी था. अब मुझे ना दोनों पहलू दिखाई देते हैं, अच्छे और बुरे दोनों. मेरा सिर्फ एक ही कोशिश रहेगी कि ऐसी कोई बातें ना बोलूं जिससे मेरी मम्मी मुझे बाहर आके चांटा मारे. I feel it's God's gift, youth, beauty, body. These are rented gifts of God, and we must enjoy them while they are around. And that's my only mindset.
Neha, welcome back on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so much. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. I'm anxious right now, but I'm fine otherwise.
Why are you anxious?
Because natural ना, जंगल के अंदर घुसा रहे हैं हमें इतने सारे लोगों के साथ बिना फोन के, बिना अपनी फैमिली के. So obviously, I mean, I think it's natural. Anybody who says they're not anxious, they're being overconfident.
Right. In fact, apparently you had been approached earlier as well, but you said no. So why was it that you felt like saying yes this time around?
Actually, I think उनके साथ जो meeting करने के बाद things change a little bit. Like when you talk to a team, you kind of understand the perspective, and you're not just thinking of it as an audience. And I think that first got me thinking. But the reason for first taking the meeting is that I actually had some time this year because of I just finished my commitments for half the year, and with hopefully we don't have the third wave, but that hitting us again, the live shows have again, of course, reduced. So I do have some window this year to even consider it. And I mean, who am I kidding? I could judge Bigg Boss as much as I want, but the country loves it. And कलयुग में कलयुग की लड़ाई लड़ना बहुत जरूरी होता है. तो वही attempt there was, that's it.
Okay, now you are someone who likes to write songs about various causes. You're an aware person. You express yourself. You have an opinion, and you don't shy away from airing it as well. So for someone like you,
I'm going to be an easy target. That's what you're saying.
not an easy target, but maybe it can be an opportunity to maybe express your views about the issues that you believe in, the causes that you believe in, because many a times we have seen the entire gossip element, the fights and the abuses that are highlighted. But it has also come to light that several causes have been highlighted because of Bigg Boss.
Yes, that's true. So, see, I am actually not going inside to fight. First, let me just make that very clear. I'm going inside to be myself, and there are many aspects to me. Getting angry is one part of it, as it is of yours and every other human being. But you're right. For example, I am neither a very gossipy person, nor am I don't like bullying, for example. And I know both things are very integral part of, whatever little I've seen of Bigg Boss. So definitely wo hai. Then I have been working for years for, cancer patients. I lost my dad to cancer, for that matter. So there are a lot of things that I believe in. Not women card, but the way India sees women. I think वो भी एक मुद्दा है जो है एक प्रॉब्लम, जो हम माने ना माने, लेकिन हमारे दिमाग में एक इमेज बनी हुई है जो हमें लगता है कि यही एक सही औरत होती है, या उसका यही एक रोल है, या वो ऐसे कपड़े पहने तो वही अच्छी लड़की है. So वो सब चीजें हैं. There are few things which I do believe in. Number one, by conducting myself in the manner that I feel can set an example would be the first step inside the house. And after that, in whatever way I can do that, I would love to. हो सकता है लोग बोर हो जाएं अगर मैं बहुत but I'm not a boring person. See, that much I'll tell you.
No, that you're not. That you are not. That you're not. Yeah.
Actually, I'm like so afraid that people will see all aspects of me now, because I am so moody in a day. मुझे एक घंटे में रोना भी आता है, हंसना भी आता है. मतलब I'm really I get tired of my own mood sometimes. So I'm just like, they'll get to see all of that now. And hopefully
Right,
I'll become more fearless after this.
More fearless. So I was reading one of your interviews, and you've said that so you like posting pictures of yours, which can be bold at times as well, and you want to just tell the world that who Neha Bhasin is all about, and why they should accept her the way she is, and because she's absolutely fine with the way she is. Why is it important for you?
No, actually, it's not important for me. I am just being myself. उसमें लोगों को problem होती है, मुझे कोई problem नहीं है. मैं तो I am just so for example, if I take a picture of mine in a bikini, obviously I take it because मुझे उस time लगता है कि मैं अच्छी लग रही हूँ, right? जब अपनी picture कोई लेता है, तो आपके दिमाग में एक ही thought होता है कि I'm looking nice today. That's the only thought that's in my mind. वो एक मुद्दा बन जाता है, और उसके बाद एक rebellion मेरे अंदर आ जाता है. But that's not the first thought. I'm just having fun, or I'm fit right now, so maybe I want to take a portrait of mine in bed that my husband has clicked of mine, and I share it with the world. So मुझे, see, I don't look at body as such a big deal. Like, that's not, I feel it's God's gift. Youth, beauty, body, these are rented gifts of God, and we must enjoy them while they're around. And that's my only mindset. Baki kuch aisa hai nahi, मतलब that I want to prove something to anybody. When I'm going to be 60, you won't want to see my portrait in bed, na? So then might as well do it now.
Actually, I'm not.
When I say you, I mean anybody.
Yeah, because when you see the posts of say Rihanna, for example, on Instagram, or say Beyonce, or anyone else, say in the West, so their posts, they are also expression of their personality.
Yes.
थोड़ा सा हमारे वहाँ तो ये होता है कि नहीं, जैसे आप म्यूजिशियन हैं तो आप गाना गाइए, आपको अपने को एक्सप्रेस करने की क्या जरूरत?
Exactly. Yeah, which I find very funny.
Right. So it's important to have this quest for freedom, come what may, right?
Yeah, because see, music is the most important aspect of my life, because it's what I have chosen to do as my soul's expression in this life. So that is definitely my number one expression. वो उसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है. But बाकी भी तो है ना. There's my heart, there's my mind, there's my soul, then there's my body. So I have to express through all my senses, not just through music. So I have been like that since I was a child. But I feel कि वो एक अभी भी हो सकता है कि हमारे देश में singers को उस तरह से अभी भी नहीं देखा जाता है. So I mean, of course, there's a large part of our country that accepts it, but very large part doesn't accept it. But हो सकता है कि ये जो मुझे आज कोड़े पड़ रहे हैं, वो 20 साल बाद singers को ना पड़े just because of singers like me. Because पहले के singers ने एक precedent set कर दिया है, जिसकी वजह से एक image बन गई है. Now maybe I can break that image in some way for at least some singers, and so that they can enjoy what I'm not being able to enjoy right now.
Okay, so Neha, can we also see some inside news from the music industry coming out in the open?
About me or somebody else?
The music industry in terms of, there are various parameters that काफी लोग जो हैं same गाने को dub करते हैं, singers को inform भी नहीं किया जाता है, maybe about live shows, for example, maybe about copyright.
But I've always been very vocal about those things, so I don't know what new will I say inside.
But Bigg Boss, the way the platform is, the reach is massive.
But see, you're right. I'll have to go inside and see what I feel. But Faridun, at this point, I have to tell you one thing. I'm in a slightly different state of mind. I'm a very grateful person today. मतलब अभी वो मेरा वो frustration वाला phase थोड़ा खत्म हो गया. वो था एक time पे जब मुझे गुस्सा भी था. अब मुझे ना दोनों पहलू दिखाई देते हैं, अच्छे और बुरे दोनों. और मेरा ये मानना है कि everything in life is about eventually survival. So you have to go through fire. But कौन सी इंडस्ट्री में अच्छा बुरा नहीं है? हमारी इंडस्ट्री में है. I'm not denying it. It's not a fair world at all. But the point is कि कब तक आप इस बात को लेके रोते रहोगे? You have to fight through. You have to be a बदतमीज in this industry. आपको गुंडा बनना पड़ता है कि आपको जिद माननी पड़ती है कि you know what? Nobody but me can bog me down. So I would say that if I had to give anybody an advice, I would say that fair play कभी भी नहीं होगा. It's never going to happen. So ये हम आज तक हमारे साथ नहीं हो रहा है, तो न्यू कमर्स के साथ क्या होगा? So that's people are living in a la-la land if they feel that one day this will be a utopian world. It's never going to happen.
Okay, and what if you get into fights inside the Bigg Boss house?
What if I get into
fights? Fights on food and कौन पोछा लगाएगा और किसको बर्तन धोने हैं, because those are the world level issues that happen in the Bigg Boss house.
As they did during COVID with my husband. So if we could fight, I can imagine अंदर जाके हुई की झगड़े. क्या देखो झगड़े होंगे, मेरा सिर्फ एक ही कोशिश रहेगी कि गाली गलोच, पर्सनल रिमार्क्स, और ऐसी कोई बातें ना बोलूं जिससे मेरी मम्मी मुझे बाहर आके चांटा मारे, you know, or she feels that I've really let her down. Because see, also I'm not going in as a nobody. I'm already a name to reckon with, and I've had a very clean reputation so far. I mean, you know, I would like to maintain that to some extent at least. So I'm not going to take anybody's nonsense. But I'm not कि मैं धक्का मुक्की मारने वाली लड़की नहीं हूँ, मतलब मुझे physical violence और ये सब पसंद नहीं है, मतलब that's not who I am. But I know how to put people in their place. So that's something you might see.
Okay, now tell me, so do you do riyaz during the day?
Yes, yes.
So do you plan to continue doing that in the Bigg Boss house?
Well, I'm not allowed to take my Tanpura, so my teacher is very upset about that, and so am I. But I have to figure it out because बिना साज की सुर लगता नहीं है वैसे, क्योंकि फिर आप बेसुर हो जाते हो. तो अब वो कैसे होगा वो मुझे देखना पड़ेगा, किसी पंखे की साउंड से या एसी की साउंड से और समथिंग. आई हैव टू फिगर इट आउट, बट एटलीस्ट 15-20 मिनट तो सुर लगाना जरूरी है. सो लेट्स सी हाउ आई डू इट. नहीं तो गाना गाएंगे.